What's up, Tiki Tribe? Anyway, this week we're not sailing. Well, we're not in the water. Right. This week we're not in the water. No, I'm sorry. We're not in the water because what's happening is we're getting ready. We're getting ready for a big trip. If you guys remember the last time we went on a big trip, Lucas and I actually went from Miami to Key Largo. We went on a Potter 15 and we failed. During that trip, I promised Lucas that the next time we could, which is coming up now, since we both have off, that we would reattempt it. The original idea was to get from Miami to Bahia Honda. That's still the plan, at least Bahia Honda. I want to get to Key West. We have a bigger boat, and why not? We can get to Key West. No problem. Again, if you guys remember, the motor mount broke, so that kind of prevented us from continuing our journey in that little Potter. We'll be much more comfortable, him and I. The Friki Tiki is a better boat than the Potter 15, especially going down that far. I'm surprised that we even got down to Key Largo with the Potter 15, the little lady. Definitely the Friki Tiki will make it down. Definitely the Friki Tiki will make it down. Lucas and I both have off this week, so it'll be 5 days of nothing but sailing. A lot of footage, a lot of content, so bear with us. So me and Lucas are going to do a live chat on Friday. Let you guys know that we got there. Hopefully we'll be doing it from Key West. But so for this week and next week, again, we're just getting ready for this Key West trip, and we will let you know if we got there, safe and sound. We will be doing a live video, both in English and Spanish, on Friday. So again, look forward to the live video on Friday. It's just something so you guys know that we made it. Those following us, we appreciate all you do, all the views, the comments, the likes. We appreciate all of it. So keep watching. Our plan for the next few weeks is to bring you along with our journey. There's a lot of processing and a lot of time that goes into the editing of these videos. So be patient with us, please. We just hope that we bring you a pleasurable experience. Like I said, me and Lucas, we just want to accomplish a goal that we set back in October, November. We actually set sail last November during Thanksgiving, and we made it to Key Largo. Again, I'm shocked that we made it to Key Largo. And, we're just hoping that everything goes well. And again, thank you guys so much for all the views, all the positive, lovely comments, all the likes. You guys are very interested in my adventures. I record these for memories, for keepsakes. That way I can look back and say, hey, remember when we did this? Remember when we did that? You guys are just taking a journey with me through the lens. You guys allow me to use my photography skills to bring you along on my journeys. I really hope that you guys at least enjoy these ride-alongs. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.